availability.
Check now.
Prices. Driving, huh?
Yeah, I'm available now. Tomorrow, I'm not available.
Okay, no problem.
Monday, I'm not available. Tuesday, I'm not available.
Why?
Monday, I'm going
Where?
somewhere.
Where?
Wait na. Then Tuesday, that's 23, so need to prepare. Wednesday is 24, that will be Christmas, so I'm not available. So 25, a little bit tired, not available.
Okay.
So 26, 27, 28, only my available. 29, 30, have work. No, have work. What is this?
That's it.
31, prepare for 31, it's New Year, so I'm not available.
Okay.
1, not available. 2, again, going duty.
Okay, no problem. You are not available.
I'm available tomorrow.
No, you are not available.
Okay. I'm available, driver not available. What kind of driver is this? It's too much. This is what they said, raining today, 100%. It's too much sunlight coming. Masakit sa mata. So not available, that's it. So what is it? What's next? Nothing?
You are not available, no?
Tomorrow and Sunday. Tomorrow, today is Friday, Sunday, Saturday and Sunday only. So what? Wala na maglingkod. Naka-cross legs. Kaya mga plano eh. Gawlat ko sa plano. Para ulima. Laag ka. Kaya bakasyon ito. Huwag man dila. Sarap yun. Ha? Nice weather. Hangin-hangin na ewan. Cloudy. Hangin-hangin na cloudy. Lisod ning ang camera kaya di pwede why this camera doesn't change
Not.
for the video na
Which one?
camera cannot change while playing the video. What is this?
I don't know you.
Camera cannot flip ba? Mukha oy.
Why?
Kasi makarelate diha nga ang
There is
camera.
option to flip.
Camera dili siya.
There is flip.
Nothing. Check in your camera. You can flip if the camera is playing.
Yes.
Video is
Yes.
ongoing,
Yes.
then you will flip the camera.
Yes,
No,
you
no,
can.
no, check.
I do.
Check na. Give me
I
your.
do.
Give me.
I do.
Ayaw niya madawal. Okay. Where to flip the camera? Tell me. Where? Oh, ayaw na. Where? Flip the camera. That's picture. Ayaw niya. Ayaw. Maniwala.
I did.
How?
Wait. I will stand up and I will let you know how.
Ayaw. O diba? Kahit siya wala kabalo. Only that. But if you will flip, it's playing or no?
Huh? Yes.
Oh, just start. It's not continuous. Ayaw maniwala.
There is option.
There is no option. Only picture is option. While
there's
playing the camera, only option is to click here to
There is
capture.
dual camera also have, no?
Nah, for this main camera doesn't work like
Dual.
that na. Kasi makarelate.
Front and back same time together. Dual.
That is only for Android.
Android
But
have
iOS,
Android
there-
have option to flip.
Yeah,
also.
there is like half of you and half is the other side.
Yes, and also you can flip.
Yeah,
the
you can
video.
flip. Yeah, but in the iOS, no option for that now. That's what I'm asking. You said there is. Yes. You're not using. Aywa. That's the problem with the iOS camera. You should suggest that one, next time, if this iPhone 18 come,
There's no need to buy.
suggest that the dual
No need to buy
cam,
iPhone.
and
There's no need to buy iPhone.
flipping camera.
Search here one mobile. I will let you know that is more than expensive than iPhone.
Ang relax the rest.
Yes.
Which mobile?
Where to?
Huh?
Vertu.
What's the name?
Vertu.
How to pronounce?
Vertu.
Huh?
Vertu.
Varto?
Vertu.
Varto?
Vertue. $8,000 price. Not dirhams. In
So it's not available here.
Here available. You can buy from Dubai.
How is it?
It's like Porsche design.
Probably going designed by the car? Car?
Yeah, Porsche car design.
Yeah, Porsche cars. Design Porsche cars. Ah, this is the disco. But, ano ba? Isang sorry, sabi ko, kinais pa ng weather. Sabi, sorry. Nita o kanaanan. Niyaabot ahan dito. Bisod man gapin kamerang wa. Kana. Wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas. Christmas is coming to town. Pero wala pa ko'y pang regalo.
Liwanza.
Wala pa ko'y pang ano sa Christmas party worth
Liwanza.
50 dirham. Napa may noyan lang. Ako'y free time tomorrow and
Costa.
Sunday.
Costa.
Kahapon kami naglaag kay ulan-ulan. Karon kay wala na may ulan. Pero bugnaw na parang.
Expensive cafe.
Yeah, nice kayo ang.
Happy.
Nice kayo ang design oh. It's a cafe. How to pronounce? Ape or Api?
Api.
Api?
Api.
It's ape. Wait ha. Stop po nato ni. Nice design. How to pronounce? APE. It's ape. 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 Nice kayong weather. It's cloudy. Like mag-ulan dyan sa Pilipinas ba nga. Pagka man ulan, inani na dayon kahayag ang kalibutan. Cloudy. Usually there is sa Dubai kay dili walay clouds. Like totally ano lang gid siya, anong langit po eh. Nang init kaayo pero karon langit to. And it's windy, see? It's windy. Oh, napod sila yung mga bugimbilya dali. Oy, nice pre lang bugimbilya. Kaya na-train ko. Nara ipil-ipil. Di ba? Hangin kayo. Oh, ka nice. So weather. Walang sorry ta. Libot-libotan ta ni Dubai. Wag natibot ang Dubai. Ceremony siya. And there is the 7-star hotel. The only 7-star hotel sa the whole world. This one, the Burj Khalifa. There is a Dubai na ay the tallest hotel in the whole world. Nasa Dubai. The tallest building of the whole world nasa Dubai. The 7-star, the only 7-star hotel in the whole world is na po sa Dubai. Asa mo mga nangkong ananas kang kumo. So there kita sa Dubai. Okay. Sikat po rin ang lugar. Diba? I will show you the 7-star. Usually how many star only? 5? 5 sa? Here it's 7. Why it's 7? This hotel is, ano ba English ako eh? Ay noon, parang kasabot niya akong tapat. Ano na siya? Why it's 7 called 7-star? What's the reason? Ha? Why it's called 7-star?
It's all about the services which they are providing.
Yeah, and the main, I don't know. But ang alam ko, Tagalog na punta. This hotel is in the water. They build it in the water. Like naglutaw siya sa tubig, sa dagat. Sa dagat. Himo nila diya gyud sulod sa tubig. Like wala siya sa yuta. Mo ni siya nga hotel. Oy, wow. Grabe sila mga constructor. Wait ah. O ba yan? Nag-ulan gahapon. Pero di siya as in ulan nga full day. Mga taliksik-taliksik, nya tatawod, ulan na sad. Kaya walay drainage. Mo gid ni siya ngayon, di siyang fish pan. Ug ang mga pasada diri di man pwesto, di ba? Wala siya fish pan. na siya mabutangan diya how isda. Di na siya ma-drain. Kaya wala may drain. Ay na may drainage dayo. Pero na siguro na ano. Nastakan. O diba? Doon na tayo dito sa kinaing 7-star hotel. Nice kayo. One? What do you call this hotel?
Burj.
No, this other one.
That is also Burj.
It's
There is a section too. It is part of the.
part of the Burj Al Arab.
Yes.
It's different. That's part daw sa kayong 7-star na hotel. Pero ang main gate siya is kanyo. Pakita na mo ha. So, pa nasayo dahil ni no? Sa mga nakasayod na, thumbs up na lang pa. Ano ba? Thumbs up ka na.
We will try inside.
Para siya oh. Yan na siyang forma. Para siya sailing. Sailboat na ba? Ito siya pormaha. Look, itaan ko nga mo. Nabasa nga akong TL. Oh, law, makay nga baka. Grabe ka, Will G! Tsara kaya agla! Tsara kaya clouds! Tignan ko kayo. Grabe ka hangin. Padlupad ko na akong sari. Isda nila dire
And you want rice?
per load to.
Rice.
So,
Rice or rice? No rice.
Nga kilohon. Pero kinilahang sinigas by piece. So muna ni tanan among gipaluto bali isa ka isda nga buo, isa ka pinikas og less than 1 kilo nga hipon nga nabalatan na siya, all fry. So mag-order dere by kilo ang ilahang pagbaligya. Kaya din nila lutuon. So hilaw pa siya nga magpilion nimo. Grabe ka nice ang weather karong adlaw ba. Pero mas nice jud unta kung makasulod mi ana diya oh. Kasulod ko ba? Aywa. Di ba? Nice kayo ang sunset.
No Burj Khalifa. Burj Al Arab too much better.
Burj Al Arab, the 7-star hotel and only one in the world. So, dito na makita. Oh, diba? That's nice guy. Oh, see? Oh, picture only I can make. Like that.
Maybe, I don't know.
But flipping the camera
what
is
the
no.
fuck?
Yun. OMG. Atras ta mga higala. Atras. Di kaya ang baha. Di kaya sa atong sakyanan nga sobrang baba. Atras ta mga mga taslakan og baha. Atras ta kay oh my god, your car is too short.
Shoot.
What you call that? It's too down. Too down. Dire gid makaya pero dito banda ay grabe ba?
Sedan car is like this. See, even that is Lexus.
Lexus also. Kaya man.
Sedan car is like this.
Kayang-kaya. Di makaya ang baha. Wa na siya ulan pero baha pagyapon mga Mars. Sa manggid ni. Pero okay lang. Kaya di bang pagpita pagkahuman ana di man pita. Yung price just kagayan nga baha pa. Pagkahuman pita dayon. Sa di ba tsada kayo ang panahon. Grabe ka nice ang weather. It's cloudy. Ay, why di makita? Una ginaingon nila nga tallest building of the world. Pero di man makita da rin. Saan man pagka-tallest ano niya?